Inverting your way to mastery. Second conditional sentences. Hello, language explorers. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting aspect of English grammar: inversion in second conditional sentences. Understanding this can add a touch of sophistication to your English language skills. So, let's flip the script and dive into inversion. Before we start with the exercises, let's briefly recap what inversion is. Inversion involves changing the usual word order of a sentence, most commonly switching the subject and the auxiliary verb. It's used to give sentences more emphasis or to make them more formal. For example, had I known, instead of, if I had known. Remember, it's all about creating a different impact with your words. In second conditional sentences, we often use inversion to create a more formal or dramatic effect. Remember, the second conditional is used to talk about unreal or hypothetical situations. A regular second conditional sentence might look like this: if I had $1 million, I would travel the world. But with inversion, we can make this sentence sound more dramatic. Had I $1 million, I would travel the world. Notice how the if disappears when we use inversion. This is a key feature of inversion in conditional sentences. It's the if that's being inverted, not just the words. Now, it's time for some practice. Let's take a few regular second conditional sentences and transform them with inversion. 1. If I were you, I would take the job. Inverted. Were I you, I would take the job. 2. If she had more time, she would write a book. Inverted. Had she more time, she would write a book. 3. If it were possible, I would live on Mars. Inverted. Were it possible, I would live on Mars. Practice these on your own, and try to create some original sentences using this structure. Mastering inversion in second conditional sentences can give your English a boost of formality and style. It might seem challenging at first, but with practice, it'll become second nature. The key is to remember that if disappears, and the subject and auxiliary verb switch places. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be flipping sentences like a pro. Until our next English exploration, keep learning and practicing. Remember, language is an adventure, so keep exploring.